Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2022 HRV, stock number 25029A. I'm going to start with a walk around of the HRV on the hoist here. We'll get a good look at the tires, brakes, and suspension. Front tires here, just over 7/32 of an inch. That's about 70% tread life. And the rear tires are at, again, just over 7/32. That's 70% tread life. Coming around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. We've just finished servicing the rear brakes, and they have about 80% pad life left. And we have also serviced the front brakes, and they are at 70% life left. I've got the HRV up on the hoist now so we can have a good look underneath. I've checked over the rear suspension, made sure we don't have any broken springs or worn out shocks. I've also just serviced the rear differential. Coming up towards the front, I'll have a look at the underbody, make sure we have no leaks in the exhaust. And I've also checked over the front suspension, and we don't have any loose or worn tie rods or ball joints. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as checking and topping up any other fluids needed. And this HRV has just passed the provincial safety inspection, as well as the 100-point Honda certified pre-owned inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this HRV with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.